Welcome to Holiday Travel Tales, where we unravel the world's most tantalizing destinations. Today we plunge into the dazzling city of Dubai, a city that never sleeps. Dubai, a city that once was a humble fishing village, has now transformed into a gleaming metropolis, an architectural marvel that boasts of some of the world's tallest skyscrapers. This city's journey from a desert outpost to a global city is nothing short of a fairy tale. It's a testament to the human spirit of what can be achieved when ambition and vision come together. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures where over 200 nationalities live and work together. It's a place where the world meets, a place where the East embraces the West. Here, tradition and modernity coexist, creating a unique blend that's hard to find anywhere else. From the winding alleys of the historic Bastakia quarter to the modern, bustling streets of downtown Dubai, there's a story to be told, a culture to be discovered at every corner. But there's another side to Dubai, a side that comes alive as the sun sets. As the day gives way to night, the city transforms. The buildings light up, the streets become vibrant, and the city turns into a playground for night owls. The city's vibrant nightlife is a spectacle to behold, a carnival of lights and sounds that has to be experienced to be believed. From the illuminated skyline that houses the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, to the bustling night markets filled with exotic aromas and vibrant colors, Dubai offers an exhilarating experience like no other. The city's nightlife is not just about partying and clubbing, it's about experiencing a different side of Dubai, a side that's equally enthralling and captivating. It's about exploring the city under the stars, about discovering the city's hidden gems, about being part of a global city that's always on the move. As night falls, Dubai transforms into an oasis of lights and excitement. Let's dive into a journey through the city's most mesmerizing night hotspots. First stop, the iconic Burj Khalifa, a beacon of light that pierces the night sky. A marvel of modern architecture, the Burj Khalifa stands tall as the world's highest skyscraper, reaching a staggering 828 meters into the heavens. As twilight descends, this towering titan transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of light and design. Its illumination isn't just a plain array of bulbs, but an intricate design that mirrors the elegance and grandeur of Dubai itself. Every single floor, from the ground up to the 161st, is bathed in a shimmering glow. This radiant display isn't static, oh no. It dances, flickers and changes, creating a rhythmic light show that captivates the eye and stirs the soul. The Burj Khalifa is a testament to the ambition and vision of Dubai, a symbol of its rise as a global metropolis. But our journey through the city's illuminated wonders doesn't end here. Let's cast our gaze towards the Dubai frame. Standing tall at 150 meters, it's not as lofty as the Burj Khalifa, but it's a spectacle in its own right. At night, this architectural marvel lights up, creating a picture-perfect frame with the city's skyline as its masterpiece. The golden lights of the frame create a stark contrast against the dark night, making it a sight that's truly picture-worthy. Next, let's set sail for the Palm Jumeirah, an artificial archipelago that's a marvel of human ingenuity. As night falls, the Palm Jumeirah comes alive with a dazzling array of lights that trace the outlines of its fronds and the iconic Atlantis Hotel. From a distance, the Palm Jumeirah appears as a radiant oasis floating on the dark waters of the Arabian Gulf, a sight that's nothing short of magical. Each of these landmarks, illuminated in all their glory, tells a story, the story of a city that has risen from the sands to become a beacon of progress and innovation, a city that's not afraid to dream big and achieve bigger, a city that dazzles and delights with its illuminated wonders, leaving an indelible mark on all who visit. These illuminated landmarks, standing as testaments to mankind's ingenuity, create a magical aura that makes the city's skyline a sight to behold. They aren't just structures of steel and concrete, but embodiments of the city's spirit, its ambitions, and its dreams. As they glow against the dark canvas of the night, they invite us to step into a world where dreams become reality, where the impossible becomes possible, and where every night is a celebration of humanity's triumphs. From the towering landmarks we move to the bustling night markets, a testament to Dubai's rich cultural diversity. A whirlwind of sights, sounds and scents, these markets are a vibrant showcase of the city's vivacious spirit and multicultural fabric. Let's start with one of the most famous night markets, the Souk Madinat Jumeirah. Nestled within the heart of Dubai, this market is reminiscent of ancient Arabian markets or souks, bringing together the old and the new in a mesmerizing blend. The air is filled with the aroma of exotic spices and the sound of haggling in multiple languages. Walking through the winding lanes, you can find everything from traditional Arabic handicrafts and jewelry to modern fashion and art pieces, and then there's the food. Oh, the food. The sizzling kebabs, the mouth-watering shawarmas, the sweet baklava. Each stall is a culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. Local delicacies mingle with international cuisines, offering a gastronomic journey around the world, right in the heart of Dubai. Then there's the ripe market, an outdoor extravaganza that comes alive as the sun sets. This market is a haven for those seeking organic and locally sourced products. There's a sense of community here, a shared love for all things wholesome and natural. From fresh produce and artisanal breads to handmade soaps and sustainable fashion, the ripe market is a testament to Dubai's thriving local scene. The lively atmosphere of these markets is infectious. Whether it's the friendly banter between vendors, the excited chatter of shoppers, or the melodious tunes of street musicians, there's an energy here that's hard to resist. These night markets aren't just places to shop, they're places to experience, to immerse yourself in, to lose and find yourself in. They're a celebration of Dubai's cultural diversity, a melting pot of traditions, tastes, and tales from around the globe. A visit to these night markets offers a unique shopping experience that blends traditional Middle Eastern charm with a modern twist. Dubai's vibrant nightlife also boasts a plethora of events that cater to every taste. Delving into this nocturnal wonderland, you'll find yourself immersed in a world where excitement and allure never sleep. Let's begin with the Dubai Shopping Festival. This is not just any ordinary shopping spree, oh no, it's a month-long celebration where the city transforms into a vibrant marketplace. From high-end designer boutiques to quirky pop-up shops, the city buzzes with fabulous deals and discounts. But it's not all about the shopping. The festival also hosts a myriad of entertaining events like live concerts, firework displays, and fashion shows. Imagine walking down the street, shopping bag in hand, only to be greeted by a dazzling firework display overhead. It's a shopper's paradise with a twist. Now, for those of you who prefer a more serene environment, the night golf tournament is a must-see. The Emirates Golf Club, bathed in the glow of floodlights, provides a surreal and captivating experience. Golfers from around the globe gather under the starry sky, their focus undeterred by the allure of the night. The hushed whispers of the crowd, the soft thud of the golf ball, and the collective held breath as the ball arcs towards the hole, all under the cloak of Dubai's night. It's a spectacle that melds the thrill of sports with the tranquility of the night. But let's not forget the art enthusiasts among us. The Dubai Opera performances are a testament to the city's rich cultural scene. This architectural marvel comes alive at night, hosting a variety of performances that range from ballet to opera to contemporary music. The Dubai Opera is more than just a venue. It's a stage where dreams come alive, where performers pour their hearts out and leave the audience spellbound. As the curtain falls and the applause rises, you're left with a sense of awe and a memory that will last a lifetime. These events, each unique in their own way, paint the night canvas of Dubai with vibrant strokes. They breathe life into the city's nightlife, adding a layer of excitement and diversity. Whether you're wandering through the bustling streets during the Dubai Shopping Festival, feeling the hushed anticipation of the night golf tournament, or being swept away by a performance at the Dubai Opera, you're not just experiencing an event. You're living a moment, a memory, a story. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a sports fan, or a shopaholic, Dubai's nighttime events ensure there's something for everyone. So, as the sun sets and the city lights up, get ready to dive into a world of adventure, because in Dubai, the night is just the beginning. No tour of Dubai's nightlife would be complete without a taste of adventure. As the sun dips below the horizon, and the cityscape turns into a twinkling panorama, the thrill of adventure in Dubai takes on a whole new dimension. The night unveils a playground for those seeking adrenaline, a realm where the daring thrive and the adventurous are rewarded with unforgettable experiences. Consider night desert safaris. As the moon ascends, the dunes come alive not with the rustle of the desert wind but with the roar of powerful four-wheel drive vehicles. These beasts of the desert, with their monstrous engines and rugged tires, tear through the sands in a dance of power and elegance. It's called dune bashing, a heart-thumping ride that takes you over the sweeping dunes, pushing the limits of gravity and your own courage. The desert, bathed in the soft glow of the stars, offers a unique backdrop to this thrilling escapade. But the adventure doesn't stop at the dunes. The night sky of Dubai itself becomes an arena for the daring. Nighttime skydiving is an experience like no other. Picture this, you're thousands of feet above the city, the wind whipping past as you plummet towards the ground at breathtaking speed. The city below is a sparkling grid of lights, the buildings like miniature models. It's a rush like no other, a free fall in the cover of darkness, a plunge into the void that promises a surge of adrenaline you won't soon forget. But remember, these aren't just activities, they're experiences, stories that you'll carry with you, tales of adventure under the Arabian moonlight that you'll recount to your friends, your family, and perhaps even to yourself when you need a reminder of your own audacity. For those seeking thrills, Dubai's night adventures promise an exhilarating experience that will leave you breathless. As our nighttime adventure through Dubai comes to a close, the city's enchanting charm leaves a lasting impression. This has been a journey like no other, a nocturnal exploration of a city that never sleeps, of a city that keeps you wide-eyed with its dazzling display of lights, sights, and sounds. We've sauntered through the illuminated landmarks, marveling at the beauty of the Burj Khalifa, the Palm Jumeirah, and the Burj Al Arab, all lit up against the backdrop of the Arabian night sky. We've roamed the bustling night markets, a haven for shoppers and foodies alike, with their myriad of stalls offering everything from exotic spices to traditional Emirati crafts, to the latest fashion trends. The energy and buzz of these markets were palpable, a testament to Dubai's vibrant and diverse culture. We've also been part of special events that only Dubai can offer. From the world-renowned Dubai Shopping Festival to the mesmerizing Dubai Fountain Show, these events have added an extra layer of excitement to our nighttime sojourn. And let's not forget the thrill of adventure that Dubai offers. From dune bashing in the desert to skydiving over the Palm Jumeirah, the adrenaline rush was real and exhilarating, an experience for the true adventure seekers. So, as we wrap up this journey, we encourage you to experience Dubai's nightlife for yourself, to feel the pulse of the city that thrives in the night, to be part of the hustle and bustle, and to create your own unforgettable memories. Because Dubai, with its vibrant nightlife, is not just a destination, it's an experience. Thank you for joining us on this nocturnal journey through Dubai. Don't forget to subscribe to Holiday Travel Tales for more exciting destinations. Stay tuned for our next adventure, the pristine beaches of Maldives. Until then, keep exploring.